Good morning, guys. Good morning, a very, very good morning. So, it's 2nd July and the second day of our new month of 2020. It's been a journey, and I am vlogging today, and I am going to show you what I eat in a day, on a regular day, what I eat um, to maintain my weight or just to stay healthy. So yeah, let's get started with the day. Right now I'm just gonna go and get fresh, and I know I sound a little fresh because I think I have my enough sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna go and roll for the day. I'm gonna go and get fresh, and also then I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit when I'm gonna have something. Okay, so bye guys. So I just got done with my workout. I had a quick run for 30 minutes, like 20 minutes of brisk walking and 15 minutes of running. You can say 35 minutes. Now I'm having some lemon water. You want to taste it? Okay, so I make sure to have some drink after my workout. I have a detox drink when I wake up. That's cumin seeds and water, and sometimes lemon water also. But today I had cumin seeds and carom seeds and water. And so I thought now I'm gonna have a drink after my workout. So it's sometimes coconut water and sometimes lemon water, and I'm gonna have lemon water right now, and I love it. You should always hydrate your body after your workout, so I make sure to do that. I wanted to talk about something. So I'm planning to pet a dog. So I'm planning to pet a dog, but I'm too scared because I get really attached to dogs very easily. And whenever something tragic happens, I don't know if I'm connected to the person mentally also, not like know them personally. I feel very bad. Today Suraj Khan, the most amazing, tremendous choreographer, passed away, and I'm really sad about it because I am really someone who is inspired by her for my dance, and it's a really sad morning, you can say. But yeah, this is life. This is a part of life. I don't know where 2020 is taking us. I mean, I don't know what's happening. So yeah, it's okay. Now I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna have my drink now. And yes, I went off the topic. I'm sorry. I was talking about petting a dog. So I'm thinking to pet a dog, and I'm really sure about it, but I don't know. Sometimes I just get very anxious about it, like if I'll be able to take care of it properly or not. But I believe that I should give it a try. What do you think? Let me know. I mean, do you guys pet dogs? And what was your first thought when you thought of petting a dog or any pet animal? Okay, and I was just wanted to talk about something else also. I am on a new diet, and if you want me to share my diet with you all, so let me know in the comment section below. I'm definitely gonna share it because I'm trying to lose 3 to 4 kilos. So yeah, now I'm gonna have my drink, and I'll catch you guys in some time. Bye. Breakfast right now, and this is my breakfast. I'm having some papaya. I'm not gonna have it totally. My mom is gonna share with me. So yes, I'm gonna have some papaya. Come on, camera. Healthy breakfast. Hello. So I was editing a blog that I had to write for a brand, and after editing it, I don't know what happened. I literally slept. I literally dozed off, and so I literally dozed off, and I just woke up after 2 hours, and मुझे पता भी नहीं था. I woke up of a very bad dream that I murdered someone. Oh my god! I mean, this is my life. Okay, I got a dream that I murdered someone. So now it's around 3 p.m. and I'm gonna have my lunch now. It's too late. but I'm gonna have my lunch now. And yes, I'm gonna see you guys after making some good, healthy kind of a little lunch. Okay, bye. This is what I'm gonna have for lunch: some scrambled eggs, 2 bread with some cheese slice, and that is about it. I'm gonna have it, some protein and some carbs and some fat. And oops, yes, I'm gonna have that now. And I have allergy to egg and I avoid eating egg, but yeah, I'm gonna have it. And because I need protein, and I think we should have eggs. So yeah, I'm gonna have egg with some bread today. I hope I don't get any allergy. Okay, I'll catch you guys after my lunch. Bye. Guys, what's up? Good evening, everyone. I hope you all doing good. So, I love dark chocolates. I mean, I love dark chocolates. And whenever I'm craving something, I've heard somewhere that if you have a piece of dark chocolate, then your cravings are just gonna go. So if you are craving for pizza or something, if you're craving for something unhealthy, have a piece of dark chocolate and you will be good to go. Trust me, you can try this trick because I have tried it a lot of times and it really helped me out. I love this. I'm having this Amul dark chocolate. It's 50% dark chocolate, and which has 50% cocoa in it, and it also has some nuts in it, and I really like it. So tell me, guys, what kind of chocolates do you like? My favorite, I'm a chocolatey person, if that is something. Sorry. Okay. So I love chocolates, all kind of chocolates, dark chocolates, milk chocolates, dark chocolates are my favorite. I like Bounty, I like Twix, I like Lindt, I like all kind of chocolates. But so if you want to give me something, you know what you have to give me. So yeah, I'm enjoying my dark chocolate because I was craving for pizza. But yeah, I have to, suppress my cravings. So yeah, what are you guys up to? Let me know in the comment section below when you're watching this vlog. What are you up to? Hello people, how are you? I hope you all are safe. I don't know, of course when you watch this vlog, this thing might not be there, but earthquake really happened to be थोड़ी देर पहले अभी earthquake आया, and I was in my washroom. I was just taking a shower and एकदम से earthquake आया, and I was like just wore my gown and फटाफट से I just came out. It was pathetic. I mean, oh my god, I have felt earthquakes पहले भी और इससे ज़्यादा speed वाले I felt it, but this was, I don't know, I was having a bath and my I was having a hot water bath and geyser was on, and I really got scared and anxious, and my hands were like moving, like literally. And abhi I'm having some green tea to update you guys because it's what I eat in a day. So I'm having some green tea. You want to have some green tea? Hello. So I just wanted to ask you guys, like, would you like me to vlog on a daily basis, like on alternate days or regularly every day, or you want me to vlog once in a week? So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to vlog what I eat in a day in my life, or also I was thinking to do some cooking experimental cooking thing. So yeah, a series kind of series like experimental cooking. So if you want to watch that, so let me know in the comment section, or you can also mail me your video preferences that I can definitely film for you guys. And I love vlogging, so you can let me know. It's time for dinner, and what am I having for dinner today is some dal, yellow dal, some rice and some curd, and also I'm having some chopped onions because I love to have onions with my food dinner. So yes, I'm having this. You guys having for dinner? I'm having dal chawal. Yo! It's around 10 p.m. now, and I'm having the last thing of my day, that is green tea. After my dinner, I have like a cup of green tea after every meal of mine. So yeah, that is it for the day, and I hope you guys liked the vlog. If you did, don't hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and just let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos would you like to watch. And I love you guys. See you.